The Cooking Fashion Show.
Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of the Cooking Fashion Show. This time I have another assistant with me and he's wearing one of my handmade aprons. It is made out of blue plastic string and it is woven with very thin threads that are kind of rainbow colored into gold in the middle, pink after it, and then blue on the outside. Then it has two strings on the side to bind it like this. You can make like a braid in the front or in the back. Maybe you could turn around. Yeah, so either it looks like this or you bind it together in the back. Doesn't matter. And then there are some little golden things on the sides of the string. Okay. And then also very good to know is that this part is braided with 4 threads, and this part is braided with 3 threads. So it looks a little bit different. Okay. Yeah, it also has these little tiny things in the front that also are some extra detail. And not to forget, here in the end, it has little tiny braided things hanging down. Also really nice, a small detail, but when you see it, it looks really nice. Okay, today we will make something very special, but also very simple. We will make tomato sauce with spaghettis, but just very plain, simple tomato sauce. And now we are going to show you the ingredients. So, we need, of course, some tomatoes. We're going to mix it. We're going to do a mix of fresh tomatoes, but then also some canned tomatoes. And then, of course, we need onion to get some tastiness. And then we need some spaghettis. Then we need some red wine also to get some. Red wine is really good for like a really nice taste of the sauce. And then we need some salt, of course, very important. And some olive oil. And what I just forgot is and then what's also really important so that the tomato sauce is not too sour is that you add a little bit of sugar. And that's something really nice and really delicious. Okay, I think now we can start cooking. So, we already showed you last episode how to cook spaghettis, so we're not gonna do it this time, but we're just gonna already start boiling the water. Maybe we could get some hot water. And now we are going to start cutting the onions. Like I showed you last time already, it's really important to cut the onions from this side. And also a very special trick that I learned from a life hack video is that when you cut the onion, you leave this part and then it sticks together until you cut the part off, and then it's really, you can make like really small pieces. Okay, the onions are cut, and then now we have to wait till the pan is hot. And meanwhile, we are going to start and keep cutting the tomatoes. The tomatoes now. Okay, now we are going to make a very special trick. And that's like just take one small piece of the onion, just like one small piece like this, and then put it in a pan. I'm just going to do it now. And we hear nothing. That means we shouldn't put the onions in right now. We have to wait a little bit longer. And now we will add the onions into the pan. And then we have to wait a little bit because, like I already said a few videos ago, you have to wait till the onions are kind of translucent. And then have the red wine and the sugar ready, because we are gonna add the red wine and the sugar soon. Okay, and now we are gonna add the red wine and the sugar to the onions. And meanwhile, also the water for the spaghetti is kind of boiling. Nice. So now the onions look really nice and translucent and shiny, rosy. And now we are gonna add the tomatoes. And then you just kind of wait till the tomatoes get very soft, and then you add the canned tomatoes. And then you can just like put a little bit of water into the can, not too much because we don't want the sauce to get too watery. And then you kind of spin it around to get all the left pieces in the can, and then also just add it to the sauce. Okay, so the spaghettis are done and we're just gonna take them out of the hot water now. Really good. But I would say we need a tiny bit of sugar, and we can also just add the last bits of the red wine. Do you want to try?
Yes. Tiny bit of sugar.
So now the tomato sauce is almost done, and we're gonna get the pasta ready. We're just gonna mix everything in this big bowl. Let's add the sauce. It's really heavy. Looks and smells delicious. Smells delicious. Maybe you can try first. It's good. I'm also gonna try it. Tastes delicious. I love it. And I'm so excited to eat this now. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. And I hope you enjoyed this week's show. Don't forget to subscribe down here. And also check out some other videos that you can find here and here.